wants to know what come actually in your real IMO question paper. Why? Because it's give us what keywords and question type. Okay, so today we are solving real previous year question paper part 1. Okay, in this video I will explain each question step by step so children can understand easily and score better marks. So watch till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe for Olympiad practice videos. I'm your mentor and your host Rajshree. Okay, so today we are explaining you what Maths Olympiad practice series class 1 logical reasoning and mathematical aptitude. This is a part 1 question 1 to 16. Okay, so here what we are doing what are the question patterns and keywords. Okay, so we are start. Okay, question number 1. Okay, here select a figure from the options which is exactly the same as the given figure. Okay, first I will read, then you will read. Okay, so this in the given picture, this is a parrot. Okay, now exactly what is the keyword here? Exactly, this is our keyword. Exactly same. Is A is same, B is same, or C is same? No, these all are not same. Only D option is the same option. Okay, so our answer is D. Okay, so our answer is D. Next, question number 2. Find the missing figure in the given figure pattern. What figure pattern? What is the figure pattern? Tortoise, frog, fish, star. Okay, here is your pattern. And next, tortoise, frog, fish, and what will become here? Here will be your star. So what is your answer? Answer is A. Okay, find the missing figures in the given figure pattern. First I will read, then you will read. Okay, and pause the video. Okay, when I read the question and I finish the question, then pause the video and you yourself read the question. Okay, next question. Next question is question number 3. Question number 3 is each group of 5 camels each can be formed from the given camels. Group of 5. Here is the keyword group of 5. So now what we do here, we are grouping camels in the 5 format. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is a one group, and next 1 2 3 4 and 5, this is the another group. Okay, so how many groups are making here? 2 groups. Okay, answer is 2. Okay, so we will go for next question. Question number 4. This question for preposition. Okay, the monkey is sitting in the branch of a tree. Okay, preposition on the tree. Okay, so answer is on the tree. Here what is the question pattern? Preposition. Okay, so pause the video and read yourself. Okay, next question number 5. Which of the following is less than 42? Okay, pause the video and read yourself. Okay, 50 is less than, yes. 100, 20, 20. Okay, less than, what is the keyword? Less than. So 50 is less than or more than? It is more than. 100 is more than. 200 is more than. So our answer is 20. 20 is less than 42. Okay, keyword is less than. Move to next question. Question number 6. Which one of the following shapes is not present in the given figure? Okay, so here is a figure. So what is circle? Circle is in the figure, yes. Then a square in the figure, no. Okay, so our answer is B. Okay, this is called elimination method. Okay, so our answer is B. Pause the video and read yourself question. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. Panda dash is at the 5th position. Okay, this question is about the position. Okay, position of panda at the 5th position from the right hand. Okay, so here is the right hand, and what we want? 5th position. First, second, third, fourth, and 5th position. On 5th position is P. So our answer is P. Okay, pause the video and read yourself and give the answer. Okay, next question number 8. Identify the relation of the given pair. Okay, this is the question about relationship. Okay, so Teacher is in the school. Teacher is in the school. So as doctor is too. So as doctor is too, where? In hospital. Which is the option? Option D is our answer. Okay. Same. Pause the video, read the question, and solve yourself. Next question. Sorry. Next question is, the given activity is occurring in the dash. Okay. In this picture, what? In this picture, the boy is wake up in the morning when sun is rises. Okay. So our answer is morning. Next, question number 10. This is the alphabet pattern. Alphabet pattern. Okay, find the missing alphabet in the alphabetic pattern. Okay, yeah, what is here? G, I, K. After G, what is H? And after H, I. I, J, K. L, this is M. Okay, N, O. Okay, we are finding the pattern. Okay, so answer is B. Next, okay. There are dash less triangles than squares in the given figure. Okay, so you have, what is the keyword? Less triangles. First we are find out triangles. How many triangles? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7. So we get 7. We get what? 7. We get 7 triangle. Okay, triangle is 7. Then okay, and now we will find squares. 1 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6 and 7. So what is our answer? 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, so there are 7 triangles and 6 square. And what question asks? Less triangle. So our answer is 1. That is B. Next, question number 12. How many beads from the 10th place should be removed in the given abacus to make the number 58? This question from Abacus. Okay, so okay, and the keyword is remove. How many bits from remove of 10 place? Okay, this is 1 place, this is 10 place. Okay, so first of all, we have to here count all the bits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. On this 10th place, all are 11. Okay, and now we will count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and in the 1st place 8. So how many we will remove? So okay, we want result 5. So how many we can remove for this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. Okay, now count 1 2 3 4 and 5. So how many we are removing? 6. So our answer is B. Our answer is B. Okay, do you understand? What in this you can pause this video and recap the question number 12. Okay, next question. Question number 13. Which of the following activity gives generally in the night? What activity we do in the night? In the night we are sleeping, right? So here we are, our answer is sleeping. Okay, in this way you can solve this question paper easily. Okay, next, question number 14. Okay, which set of the least number of object? Least, what is the keyword? Least. Okay, least number of object. So what we doing? We just mark a line. Okay, and then count these two things, crayons and bones. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So least number of object is bones. So our answer is B, that is bones. Okay, so if this kind of question asked in the exam, so what you can do? You can just draw a line. Okay, it will be short to your question. Next question is question number 15. Okay, question number 15 is, there are dash more paper boats than kites in the given figure. Okay, so first we have to count boats. Okay, so here 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So kites are 12, and kites are 12. Okay, and how many very sorry, boats are 12 and kites are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many? 5. Okay, so we want to know more. How many more? Okay, this is the keyword more. So here we have to subtract 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is how much? 7. So our answer is 7. Okay, our answer is 7. This is our answer. Our answer is B7. Okay, and in next video I will explain the remaining part. Okay, so your work is practice this question. Okay, and read the question loudly. Okay, then you can understand and your reading skill will be improved. Okay, what is the difficult task in the question paper? The difficult task is the length of the paper. So paper is so lengthy. To like and subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.